Could a machine write the next great novel? Not just a chapter, not just a paragraph, but an entire, breathtaking story, from the first sentence to the last, in the time it takes you to blink. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. We are standing on the precipice of a literary revolution, one where the very definition of an author is being rewritten by algorithms. Welcome to the world of AI ghostwriters. These aren't simple word processors. They are complex generative models, digital minds trained on a library larger than any human could ever read. They analyze the structure of countless stories, learning the delicate dance of plot twists, the subtle arc of character development, and the intricate rhythms of prose. Feed one a simple prompt, and it can construct a sprawling epic, complete with believable heroes, gut-wrenching emotional stakes, and a literary style that mimics the masters. It can generate a dozen alternate endings before a human writer has even finished their first coffee. The speed is staggering, the potential immense. Imagine a world where stories are tailored specifically to your tastes, generated on demand. A thriller with a protagonist just like you, a romance that perfectly matches your deepest desires. For writers, these AIs could be the ultimate collaborator, a tireless assistant that banishes writer's block forever, suggesting plot points and refining sentences at a superhuman pace. It's a tool that could democratize storytelling, allowing anyone with an idea to bring it to life, regardless of their writing skill. But as we stand in awe of this new technology, a deep sense of unease begins to creep in. If a machine can write a novel, what does that mean for human creativity? When an AI generates a story, who is the author? Is it the programmer who built the model? The user who typed the prompt, or the machine itself? This question strikes at the heart of copyright law and the very concept of originality. And what about the soul of storytelling? Great literature isn't just a sequence of words. It's born from lived experience, from pain, joy, love, and loss. It's the messy, unpredictable, and profoundly human journey that gives a story its heart. Can an algorithm, no matter how sophisticated, truly replicate that? Or will we be left with a flood of technically perfect but emotionally hollow narratives, stories that echo our own humanity but lack a soul? As we race into this brave new world, we must ask ourselves, what happens when the hand that writes our culture as stories is no longer human? Is this the dawn of a new golden age of literature, or the beginning of its end? The debate is just beginning, and the answers will shape the future of creativity itself. Thank you for watching. If this exploration sparked your curiosity, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments below. What do you think is the future of storytelling?